We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Stevens and Palo Pinto counties until 8 p.m. A severe thunderstorm is located near the community of Ibex, or about 13 miles southeast of Albany, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. The storm may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations in the path of this storm include Mineral Wells, Breckenridge, Grayford, Possum Kingdom State Park, and Crystal Falls. Also, portions of Interstate 20 near mile marker 389. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for Stevens and Palo Pinto counties until 8 o'clock. A severe thunderstorm located 13 miles southeast of Albany, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 o'clock for all of north central Texas. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.